Okay, so I just read about something called the Model Context Protocol, and honestly, it's pretty mind-blowing.
Wait, seriously, what's the big deal about it?
Well, it standardizes how AI applications connect with data sources, which sounds a bit dry, but it's revolutionary.
Right, so it's like giving AI the context it needs to operate more effectively. But how does that actually work?
Exactly, so you have MCP hosts, which are the applications initiating the connections, and then you have MCP clients maintaining the links.
Ah, so it's a bit like a phone network. One side calls while the other answers, but with data instead.
Yes, and these connections help AI models access relevant context on the fly. Think of it as AI having a cheat sheet.
That's fascinating. But doesn't that assume the data processed is always accurate or relevant?
Great point. The reliability of data sources can really dictate how effective the protocol is.
It does raise some questions. I mean, what about biases in the data? Isn't that a risk?
Absolutely. If the underlying data has biases, then the AI outputs could definitely skew in problematic ways.
And that's concerning, especially with applications in sensitive areas like healthcare. How do we address that?
Good question. I think it emphasizes the need for rigorous data vetting alongside this tech.
Exactly. It's all about finding that balance between innovation and responsibility.
Speaking of innovation, did you hear about how Azure DevOps uses MCP? It connects AI to project management tools.
Oh, that's interesting. So what's the practical benefit there?
It basically allows teams to have real-time context about their work items, automating tasks with AI.
That sounds like a game changer. But what happens if the AI makes a mistake?
Well, it's a double-edged sword. Automation boosts efficiency but can lead to errors if not monitored closely.
Right, I've heard tech failures can be costly and time-consuming to rectify.
Totally, it's like handing your car keys to a robot. You need to trust it, but things can go south fast.
Haha, I can relate to that. So moving on, what about the Dataverse MCP server? What does it bring to the table?
Oh, it's designed for chatting over business data, like natural language interaction with databases.
Wow, that simplifies things for non-tech users. But does it respect data privacy?
That's a concern. Security protocols must be strong or it could expose sensitive information.
Right, failing to secure that could lead to huge breaches. We should definitely emphasize ethical usage.
You're on point. Ethical guidelines will be crucial to mitigate those risks when using tools.
It's like walking a tightrope between advancement and ethical responsibilities. This is deep.
And don't forget about the MCP for Azure Kubernetes. It helps manage AI operations there too.
Managing cloud resources with AI, that's pretty slick. But does that complicate things for developers?
Maybe, but it should also streamline workflows by automating repetitive tasks.
So, more time for creative work instead of managing resources. I can see that being a big win.
Exactly, but let's not dismiss potential miscommunication between the AI and developers.
True, if the interactions aren't clear, it might lead to misunderstandings in resource management.
Right, like asking your friend to get something from the kitchen. If you don't specify, good luck.
Haha, or it's like Amazon Future, where no one really knows what's in the box.
Let's hope the AI can decode our intentions better. Overall, MCP presents exciting opportunities.
Absolutely, but we must tread lightly as we explore these capabilities.
So if we put all this together, we're seeing new potentials while grappling with ethical implications.
Exactly, and navigating those waters is going to be crucial as we move forward.
I totally agree. It makes me wonder how future protocols will evolve from these discussions.
Yeah, I can't wait to see how developments in this space unfold. Exciting times ahead.